Hi, if you're thinking about doing a DIY self-installation off-grid solar kit, then check out this video. We could just have the solution for you. My name is Mike Hayden. I'm the owner and director of 24 Hour Solar Power. And today I'm going to walk you through how we give our customers choices and options. We've been designing and installing off-grid solar systems for over 10 years now. And what we've learned, that customers want choice, and the biggest thing that comes back after DIY installations is customers wish they'd brought more, or they knew more that they could get. We've redesigned our systems to help you be more choice and really understand what it is that you're getting. We do all our quotes by video, so you receive a video quote just like this of what you get and what your system's capable of. Now let me talk you through and give you a quick demonstration. All our quotes, we give panel options. So we give a low-end panel, a mid-range panel, and a high-end value panel. We supply all the racking kit depending on your roof, just to plug and play. We also give an instructional video of how to do that and mount that. All our kits are rated for Engineered for Australia. All our systems come with monitoring. They also come with online monitoring. So basically, if anything happens remotely, if it's connected to the internet, we can log on and help you program your system to help you out. All our systems are expandable, so in the future, if you wanted to add another inverter to get more daily usage of a day, you can simply click and add one of these, and it'll actually add the cost, change the cost of the quote. With battery storage, one of the biggest things I see with DIY battery storage is people just don't buy enough storage up front. And what we've done, we've redesigned all our systems so that you can upgrade and add to any time in the future. And it's the same thing when purchasing your system. All these systems are editable quantities. So you can simply just log on here and you can change the battery quantity, and it'll actually change the price of the quote, and you can see what it actually is going to cost to add batteries in the future. We give 3 battery options. Same thing, to give you a choice. All our battery options come with either a IP67 cupboard, so it's waterproof outside, these 2 options here, or if you wanted to build your own battery cupboard, you can do that as well. With all these DIY installations, we actually can install for yourself if you wanted to. We can install pretty much anywhere in New South Wales and Southeast Queensland pretty comfortably. If you want to help us find and getting you the right installer for your job, we can help that as well. If you want us to install, you can click this option here and see how much the rebates would actually come off, and you can also click the installation cost, which will change the cost of the installation. If you don't have a generator, you can also select the generator option, so you can get a generator. We deliver most things nationally to a freight depot in Australia, so it's easy for you once you're ready to go pick it up. And we supply full installation videos and detailed drawings of options of how to do this. We just don't stop there. If you haven't already subscribed to our YouTube channel, we have a channel where we go to the off-grid kitchen, where we show you what you can and can't use in your off-grid situation. Most of our customers run small air conditioners, they cook with electricity, and they avoid gas. It all just comes down to knowledge and power. So if you want your own video customized quote today to look at your DIY project, jump down bottom and fill out the form below with all the information required, and we can send you your own personalized video. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.